everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some hijab styles. So I'm going to be showing you guys 3 hijab styles in 2 different fabrics. All of them are different hijab colors as well. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So I'm wearing this undercap just for the sake of this video. I normally just wear one for my head and that's it, but this time we had to go all out and cover our necks as well. So for your hijab, you only need a pin, a safety pin and a pin itself. So normally I pick one, the color that goes with the hijab itself, so it can look really cute together. So I'm going to show you guys the first look that I just showed you guys not long ago. So for this look, all you need to do is flip the hijab over your head like this. If you want, you can go middle or you can go to the end. I normally go to the end, so this end can meet the middle part, just leaving a little bit of access. And then you use your safety pin, pull it underneath your neck like this. If you want it tighter, then pull it further away. If you don't want it tighter, then do it in the middle. And that's this for the first step. You can also use a pin to put in the middle so it's secure. We don't want anyone pulling any hijab off, but yeah, it's secure there. If you're wearing chiffon, because chiffon can be quite slippery. And then now you just bring it like this, and then as you can see there, you go over your head. So I want to show the glitter because it's one of my favorite features of this hijab. And then bring it around. And then tuck this part in and then take it back round again. So it's double coverage because it's quite see-through. And if you want to hide your cleavage, then it would be nice to do a double part. So that's that. If you want to make this part shorter, you just so basically pull this one in and then you pull that one in. So as you can see, so this is how it looks like. Then you just pull it like this, so it's double coverage, and voila, that's for the first look. So for this second look, I've added some earrings on. As you can see, this is one of my favorite look ever. Like I wear this for any special occasions. Like you can wear a nice earring and pop your hijab on and you still look fabulous. So for this hijab style, you'll need 1 safety pin and 2 pins. I've chosen a yellow one so it can go with my hijab. Even though this is a cream one, it's a little bit similar, so it's really cute using the same type of color for your hijab. People won't notice it, but when they notice it, they'll be like, oh, that looks nice, you know what I mean? So now for this look, all you need to do is flip the hijab. I think I got it the wrong way around. Let's turn around to the right side first. Flip the hijab on the back of your head, so you'll be wearing it as a cap rather than how I did on my first hijab tutorial, hijab style. So you basically pull out the back of your head and then you use your safety pin to actually attach it to your undercap. So you pull it through your hijab and then pull it through your undercap and then pull it to the other side and then safety pin it, if that makes sense. Okay, so making sure that the undercap is not showing, everything is intact very well, covering your ears as well, so it's only the earrings part that's actually showing. And then from there you take it under your neck. So as you can see, I've added a little bit, I folded it a little bit so it doesn't look very, I don't know how to explain, so it doesn't look like this, but then if you take a little bit, then that part will be a little bit straight. So from there I just go under my neck, making sure that the undercap on this side is covered. So this is when you use your first pin, just by putting it here, making sure the back of your hijab is all tucked in well so it looks neat. So that's my first pin. How do you put the pin in? I think I should show that part as well. So you just use it. So basically what I normally do, I put my pin, I take my pin out if you can see what I mean. I take my pin out and then I tuck it back in by flipping it around. I'll show you on the fabric in a minute. And then from there you go around your head with a hijab, coming round, making sure this part is tucked in, and then making sure that the undercap is hidden as well. And then this is when you'll use your second pin. But before you use your second pin, take a bit of fabric from here and then flip on here, and then this helps the fabric to lay rather than actually flipping around. It helps it to look more neat. And then you put your pin in again, so tuck in and then twist it round so it's more secure then. And then from there I just bring this forward. So this is how the look is. So if you want to make your hijab shorter, you just literally pull this part and then that will make it shorter. But if you want to make it longer, pull this part and then it'll make it longer. And then I normally bring everything to the front and then use this part to cover the mess basically. And then ta-da, this is how it looks all together. Just make sure your undercap is hidden. This is literally one of my favorite looks. So finally, this is the last hijab style for you guys. So I'm going to be using one safety pin and one pin. I've picked a blue one this time because I'm using a bluish color hijab. Look how this hijab is so beautiful. Look how good it goes with my skin. Okay then, so this hijab style is actually one of the easiest one to do. So all you need to do is get this to the middle part. So basically go to the middle part of the hijab. Go to the middle part of the hijab, flip over your head, and then as you did before, put a safety pin just there. One of the easiest hijab style. And then bring one of the side to the front. Use your safety pin to secure your hijab by pulling at the back. So basically you just put it in and then you flip around like I've been showing you guys in other styles. So that's that. And then this one, just get flipped back. And that's it, guys. That's it. So if you want to hide your bosom, then that's it. But yeah. So that's the hijab style. If you want to make one longer and one shorter, just literally make one side shorter, one side longer. And that's it for you. You can even do it like this. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.